good? What's up, Vibe Squad? So, today's video, as you read by the title, we're gonna do a little beach vlog. Okay. But, if you're new, welcome to the Vibe Squad. If you hit that subscribe button, I try to talk so fast, I don't know if I but yeah, you can hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna edit that out. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, but if you're not new, what's good, gang? So, yeah, before we get right into the video, let's go.
2 hours later.
Okay, guys, we're in the car. I hope y'all can hear me clearly. Well, I'm in a car, but yeah, we just came from Publix. Don't mind the filthiness of his car. No face, no case, ma'am. Yo, big behind.
Yes.
Anywho. That don't look like a keeper to me.
I'm guessing you're gonna have music behind all these videos. Okay, smart.
No face, sir.
No face, no case. You gonna have to edit so they're just gonna see me in the background but without my face, right? And you get what you playing with my beard. And they're not gonna see what it's gonna put an emoji over me. Yeah. Get it.
Look at what?
Put my beard on the camera. And you can edit it out. No face.
You already know, so I don't gotta claim.
Yeah, on camera so they could know, but they're not gonna know who I am.
Y'all know, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, anywho.
Hey, they put this in the thing before it started melting.
But he got his. He took my gun that I was gonna buy.
I didn't know you was gonna buy it.
What? It's in my pile, sir.
Oh, there you go.
But yeah, he got onions. His mouth is
Now you know I need some.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I don't even like that one. I like the green one that you got. That's right.
pickle.
Pickle?
You said the green
Really, nigga?
Are you stupid or something?
one that I got.
The green gum.
Oh.
What the fuck? Pickle flavored. Now you gonna get me mad. Imagine they made pickle flavored gum. Now I'm blowing up that company. I'm fighting whoever came up with the idea, whoever suggested it.
All right, guys. Enough of this talking. Let's see you.
What?
Hey, we see y'all. I'll be getting
We'll
fast.
see y'all later, chat. I'm about to get active.
A few moments later.
Yeah. And then he's wearing this.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
I'm gonna do it again, like, or did it, or whatever. Did you just snip your hand?
1 eternity later.
My back camera is so beautiful. like the quality of it.
Yeah, that's the yellow on purple.
Yeah, I was gonna say we were walking a little too far from the car. He thinks because he's taller, I won't be his ass. Very different. It's so beautiful. Guys, I did not have breakfast. This is my face over here.
Ready to get in? Oh
What?
yeah, you're not going to enjoy eating your food. Them seagulls going to go crazy as soon as you bring anything out. Forgot to mention that. They're going to go bug wild.
Anywho, Vibe Squad, this is the end of the video. The end. Your girl, Christopher, check out. You're checking out.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay. Please don't mind my bad edges.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
I need to upgrade my edge gel. Not too much. Don't tell me something I'm already aware of. Anywho, yeah, we're at the end of the video. If you made it all the way, and
You want you could do so you want
if you made it through this video to this part, put put
2 hours later.
what should I just put a fire emoji. I don't know. Put fire emoji, thumbs up emoji. Yeah. But yeah, if you're in there and you made it through, thank you. Thanks for making it all the way through. Like the video if you're new, and that subscribe button. Vibe Squad growing every week, so we're reaching for Vibe Squad to grow every damn day. So yeah. Hit that thumbs up if you're new. Subscribe. Bye, girl. Check out.
Action, but I promise that I won't be seen. She told me that she loved me, but I knew that she make believe, but this ain't bye. So let me catch her up to speed. Target slaying demons, I be quick to put them on that red carpet. TMZ 'em. I could get them taken after one call. Liam Neeson. I was mumbling, now I'm speaking. Feds can't ask me if I'm able to testify 'cause I